With a very special guest. Now, this man is always known to make a statement, whether by the things that he says on stage or anywhere he feels like, or the things that he wears. Now, we're here with the original, the gang, the real Dan Dogon, Ninjaman. Hi, Ninja Wagwan.
Correct that.
What me fi say then?
The original front teeth, gold teeth, take off down half a teeth, brush teeth, toothpaste, and now spit no more shot in the nigga face. Early Sunday morning, Dan Gorgon talk. Remember, Dan Gorgon.
Dan Gorgon.
Get it right.
I stand corrected. I stand corrected.
There was no way you could have remembered all of that.
Yeah, sorry, my brain. Yeah. No, we're not there.
Yes,
but let me just tell you, all of what you said and the Dan Gorgon, how did you get that name?
Please.
Or those names?
Well, name was given to me because I was sent by God to do my work, you know. Everything when I get, God give me it, you know. And the work when I do, I just the title when I get, you know. If you notice, from me a DJ till now, me are the greatest dancehall DJ Jamaica ever see. Me are the longest reigning DJ in a dancehall. We're still popular until now. And you ever hear them call me and give me an award?
There are several factors that might explain why Ninjaman has never been formally acknowledged by his government, despite his significant contributions to dancehall music. One key reason is his legal history. Ninjaman has faced serious criminal convictions, which have cast a lasting shadow over his public image. Governments often hesitate to officially recognize individuals with troubled pasts, as they prefer to endorse figures who embody the ideals of law and order and integrity. Another factor is the countercultural nature of dancehall music itself. Dancehall has long been associated with rebellious expression and nonconformity. Its roots in grassroots resistance and subversion of mainstream norms may make it less likely to be celebrated by traditional or state-sanctioned institutions. This cultural divergence means that even groundbreaking contributions from influential artists can be sidelined in official narratives.
Let me tell you something. This is the commission of the bad man. I'm here to tell you the superintendent that he's a dead man. Cause the journal front seat goat in Dan Dogon. Adam. Listen. Hey, what? Adam to give me back me gun. Cause I'm fucking with this me and the man are done. Adam to give me back me gun. You can hold up. Adam, if you're in here tonight, I told you, and you don't bring my gun, come up here. You're going to have a warm time. Adam, you want the gun? Level. Sting. When you hear me want Adam say if you give me gun, you say if you don't give me gun, now go ask him a question. And when time he asks him a question, whether I answer or not, I'm going to tell him when I'm going to give me to get me gun. You know what I hear? It's the thing. If police attack innocent people's lives, why me can't take my enemy life? Me will do you. When them do to Jesus Christ, me will come and keep me gone.
Endorsements from state bodies often aim to reflect values that resonate with a broad cross-section of society. As a result, political leaders might avoid linking their official honors with individuals whose life stories do not align with those values. Lastly, institutional bias within the cultural recognition framework can contribute to the issue. Award and recognition programs are typically structured in a way that favors artists with more conventional or sanitized biographies.
Skin out! X-rated, that made the woman excited. Like a poem to the side, X-rated. Make the girl them haunted. From man of say, oh, say that woman can't done. Tell them the man is up. William. Shabba, say you can talk the last lyrics, so how you gonna lose your life? I don't know how ugly Shabba protected and dog under the dreamy eye. Don't forget you're gonna rule the town and then dog gonna be. Oh Shabba, this is the last of you in the cemetery. You see them, watch out. I got the permit to bury on the lives of the kill. Shabba run to the right away. I got the permit to bury on the lives of the kill.
When pondering global success in dancehall, one might consider that lyrical content alone rarely tells the entire story. Shabba Ranks' rise beyond his local scene can be attributed not only to his engaging lyrics, but also to a crafted public persona that resonated across cultural borders. He delivered his verses with an accessible charm, blending rhythmic innovation with a market-friendly image that invited international audiences to tap their feet along with him. On the other hand, Ninjaman's approach was grounded in raw authenticity and an uncompromising style. His battle-ready lyrics and onstage spontaneity spoke directly to the heart of dancehall purists, reflecting a depth of artistry that thrived in its local context. Yet, that same intensity sometimes proved too stark for the broader global audience that is often swayed by a balance of marketability and cultural packaging. This contrast invites us to reflect. How much of an artist's success on the international stage hinges on their ability to adapt their image to a wider audience? Could it be that the very qualities which endear an artist to their local community also pose challenges when those qualities are exported to a global market? In examining these questions, we uncover a complex interplay between raw lyrical talent and the evocative power of presentation, a reminder that art is as much about context as it is about creativity. In these systems, the innovative contributions of countercultural figures may receive informal acclaim among peers and fans, yet fail to break through the barriers of official, government-endorsed accolades.
No, they can't give me no award. Because my title bigger than the award, and me I done Gaga.
Ninjaman's roles in films often reflected his larger-than-life dancehall persona, bringing an authentic streetwise energy to the characters he portrayed. Here's a deeper look at his roles in some of his notable movies. 1. Third World Cop, 1999. Ninjaman played the role of deportee, a character who adds to the gritty realism of the film's portrayal of Kingston's criminal underworld. The movie follows a tough Jamaican cop navigating corruption and gang violence, and Ninjaman's presence helped reinforce the film's raw, street-level authenticity.
Yes, you know, it's still efficient. Yeah, job. I'm not going early tomorrow morning, you know. Same place.
Run my batty boy!
Hey, yo, watch your mouth, man. That's my brethren.
So, Imawa, police.
Yo, my one away, see? Don't test.
2. Rude Boy, the Jamaican Don, 2003. In this crime drama, Ninjaman took on the role of Gargon, a powerful figure in the Jamaican underworld. His character embodied the ruthless and strategic nature of a Don, reflecting themes of power, loyalty, and survival. His performance contributed to the film's intense atmosphere, making it a standout in the genre.
Virgin, this is not talking about it. So you want to go for it?
Yeah, you know, there is some music thing.
Pussy. Kiss me shoes. Kiss me shoes.
No kind of thing this time.
The garden speak, no answer.
My yard. I have my gun behind me. See, anything come round. And you know, kiss my blood-clad shoes. Mum is the word. Power Pinter plays the game, but are your last one. Kiss my shoes. Kiss it like how you kiss your girl. Pussy.
I find someone or two boy.
You're nearly brave. I can't get you anything you want. Anything where me can do, no man else can do. If me say your criminal record that disappear, it a disappear. Here, one man. So when you leave your Thursday, When you reach the airport, you're going to see a youth in a red shirt. Him will take it to Ras Biggs. Give Ras Biggs what I give you, and him will take care of everything. But I'll tell you one thing. You can't take the heat. Don't come in at the blood clot kitchen. And you don't know if you bake bread. Stay far from blood clot oven. You hear that? Hello, sir. Take them.
Number 3, Gangsta's Paradise, 2004. Ninjaman's role in this film further cemented his reputation as an artist who could seamlessly transition between music and acting. The movie explores the struggles and conflicts within Kingston's criminal landscape, and his character played a key part in shaping the film's narrative of street life and survival.
Just a word with you, please.
So what you want?
You see, I'm here to see Caesar, is what I'm saying. I'm from England. I've done some business with him in England, and I'm here to finish up with him now, is what I'm saying.
Him not there right now.
Well, he said I could wait inside until he's back because he'll be back later on.
All right.
Thanks a lot. Yo. Me change my blood clot mind. Sit down. Sit down. Your boss, Rabbi, and I come to collect. Go down there, sir.
Yes, yeah, of course. Always happy to hear you called.
But I can tell you something. You rent the wrong room and the time you check out. Where my money?
What am I?
This the blood clot tell me.
In each of these films, Ninjaman's presence brought a level of authenticity that resonated with audiences familiar with dancehall culture and the realities of life in Jamaica's inner cities. His ability to embody these roles naturally stemmed from his own experiences and his deep connection to the themes explored in the films, certainly contributed to his cultural presence. However, they likely did not play a major role in influencing government recognition. While appearing in films can expand an artist's reach, official acknowledgment typically depends on broader contributions to national culture, public perception, and political considerations. His movie roles often aligned with his dancehall persona, reinforcing his image rather than shifting it in a way that would make formal recognition more likely. Vybz Kartel and Ninjaman have both been pillars of dancehall music, yet neither has received official recognition from the Jamaican government. Their situations share some similarities, but their paths have also diverged in key ways. One major factor is their legal history. Both artists have been convicted of serious crimes, Kartel for murder, though his conviction was recently overturned, and Ninjaman, who remains incarcerated. Despite his legal battles, Kartel has remained highly influential in the industry, maintaining relevance through music and even receiving international accolades. His ability to navigate the entertainment world while incarcerated kept his name active, leading to discussions about his contributions to dancehall culture. Meanwhile, Ninjaman's prolonged absence due to incarceration has made formal recognition by the government even less likely. Their situations highlight larger discussions about how cultural icons are acknowledged and the role of government in shaping artistic legacies.
I'm the greatest dancehall DJ Jamaica ever see. I'm the longest reigning DJ in a dancehall. We're still popular until now. And you ever hear them call me and give me an award? No, they can't give me no award. Because my title bigger than the award. And me, I Dan Gargan. No more.
So hold on. So in addition to all of that, the dancehall side and the rough side, obviously the Ninjaman, is there a softer side to you though? Is there like a lady side?
You want to see when me and my wife apart?
No. When you and your wife, tell us what happened.
Huh?
Tell us a little bit about the softer side of you.
You see, my softer side is not talking. Actions speak louder than words.
Okay, all right. All right.
Tell us something about you that will shock. Like if they find out about it, they'll say, really?
My teeth foul.
What you mean?
What is no, and for our international audience who off the bat they don't know what a fowl is. What is a fowl, Ninjaman? What is a fowl?
You know, chicken where you buy and cook and eat?
Right.
Yes.
With teeth in before in dead.
Well, all right. Let me tell you what I want to know, though. Tell me, I mean, we've heard a lot of things about Ninjaman. You know what I mean? The music, all the allegations, all of that. What rumor got you most upset out of everything that you've heard?
You know what I'm saying? You know what nothing not get me upset? Life is an experience. And if you weren't here, you wouldn't have got none of those experiences. So everything that happened in life, me just take it with a smile. That's why you see how me look little and neat, me not make nothing trouble me.
Even when you have on the rough face, you're still smiling on the inside.
I'm joke. No people used to come to you with a smiling face. I'm total hypocrite. I smile in my heart. That's why every time people see me, them feel happy because my smile inside of my heart. And when you see me, you say love.
True.
Nice.
You understand? Me have a man come to you and cleaning teeth. No, waste of time that.
Yeah.
Hypocrite that.
You've been in the business now for how long?
Time.
For over 20 years?
Yeah,
What
man,
moments?
Me I do more than 30 years now.
Yeah, man, a long time, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
So out of all of that, outside of, you know, the stage shows and everything, is there a specific moment that still stands out to you that you'll never, ever, ever forget?
Well, you want me know. You want to stand out moment for me when me turn brother days, man, you know.
Yeah, exactly. That's
So what happened to Brother
How did
Desmond?
that happen though? Like what happened? You're walking on church, a pastor preach a very good message, you get convicted. You decide to baptize same time and
Man. You know, walking at church, man.
okay, you go church.
God send me go do what he want me to do, man.
Okay.
So are you still Brother Desmond?
God anoint me brother Desmond from the day me born. My
Right.
name is Desmond John Ballantyne, you know. John as in John the Baptist. John and his Ben John may come but Toby and two, you know. You understand?
Okay.
Me's a man where they have to do God work.
So you still you go around and you preach and them something the same way because I mean
Alright, I'm
initially.
show you something. Preaching is not the only thing I'm doing God work, you know.
Right.
Even this one I do now with the taxi operator appreciation and family fund there. It's a part of God work. You're helping another poor person to have
Right.
something in life.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
It's not all about having everything for yourself. You hear some people tell you that God help those that help themselves. Them is the wickedest liar in the world. Why me can't help myself and God will help me? God not done help me if he help myself already.
Right.
Yeah.
God help those that cannot help themselves.
Okay. Oh,
So fix
that
up
is
the
how it go.
doctrine.
Right.
Say it
that
again. Say it again. So get it right.
God help those that cannot help themselves.
At you. Right.
All right.
So Ninja, we're going to put your lyrical skills to the test. Here's how it works. Each host has a secret item in their bag. When this item is revealed, you will have to come up with a verse which includes the mystery item. We'll start with Danique. You ready? All right, Danique, what's in your bag?
Hi, Ninja.
How was that?
It's a teddy bear.
Call me darling, give her one teddy beer. Then we go out and drink a red stripe beer. And if you disrespect, I said, get out of here.
Wicked. All right, Gianna, the next item, please.
I have a razor.
Okay. Sharp like a knife, baby figure cut. Take me razor and bust out your head cup.
Oh,
so then get to know so that me well serious. If you is a barber, don't ease it up. Grab the ear from me face, me have to shave it up. Get me razor and then me just clean that up smooth like a baby bottom. So they say be squeeze up. So
Mad.
Very good.
Ready for my Ninja?
listen me. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Move you know with your tin a bully beef.
Hey.
Them they same thing bad man a heat. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Me a no Indian, me a no chief. Give me oxtail, don't give me bully beef.
Sorry.